In a move that could bring major relief to thousands of property owners, UT administration of Chandigarh has initiated steps to overhaul penalty regime for building violations and misuse of premises. Administration has sent proposal to Ministry of Home Affairs seeking amendment to the Capital of Punjab Development and Regulation Act 1952. Once approved by the Parliament, amendment will empower UT administration to rationalize and revise penalties on its own, eliminating need for repeated approvals from the centre. Under current framework, which has remained largely unchanged for decades, penalties in some cases escalated to amounts almost equal to property's market value. Calling it a legacy issue, UT Chief Secretary S. Rajesh Prasad said amending the Act is essential to address this issue. Only after amendment can penalties in over 5,000 pending cases and future cases as well be rationalized in a fair and practical manner. Officials said more than 5,000 notices related to building violations are currently pending, most involving industrial and commercial properties. Proposed amendment seeks to introduce structured framework for determining penalties based on the nature and scale of violations, balancing enforcement with fairness while preserving Chandigarh's planned urban character. Officials said administration is making a renewed push to resolve the long pending issue. The proposed amendment seeks to introduce structured framework for determining penalties based on nature and scale of violations, balancing enforcement with fairness while preserving urban characters of Chandigarh, which is planned. While similar proposals were examined earlier, officials said current administration is making renewed push for addressing this long pending issue. Once it receives parliamentary approval, UT will review pending cases and implement more reasonable and flexible penalty structure.